Hey folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about exactly how much money we've spent on a 1965 Fastback so far. One quick update: the coupe search is on hold as we've allocated funds from that project into this Fastback with the new engine, and we're still considering using more as we consider putting a supercharger in this Fastback, but that's the subject of another video. Let's get started on the cost of this one. To keep this video short, hopefully less than 3 or 4 minutes, I'm not going to go into the details of the history of this car because there's plenty of videos on the channel to do that. But for the new viewers, I did want to cover one thing. This car was purchased as you see it. The paint on this car is over 30 years old. The interior is as I purchased it as well. The only thing that has changed exterior wise is the wheels and tires, and we added a rear valance, a GT style valance, and with the exhaust system to go with that. Other than that, the car looks exactly how we purchased the car. No new paint, no new interior, everything is exactly as you see it. So guys, after removing the old and installing the new engine as well as other miscellaneous parts, we're at, drum roll please. So alright guys, all in, at this point we're at about $48,000. Not a high number, not a low number, but an okay number. I can live with it. I don't really have much choice. It really doesn't matter because we're not going to sell the car. But since I was asked by several folks how much, I decided to make this quick video. So I hope that helps for those who are looking for fastbacks. Now this car is styled after a GT350 and they tend to cost a little bit more. But again, it doesn't matter because this car is not going to be sold anytime soon. So thanks for watching guys.